Hi, this is Architect Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a brand new Ford Focus estate. We've just fitted a rear camera to this on the factory. Here we are. On the factory screen. I'll show you how it works. So we get in, if I go forward, there we are. So as soon as it goes into reverse, it comes up, you can still see all your parking sensors there, you get your rear view camera there, it's really well positioned. There we are. You've also got the controls here, you can switch them on and off, all on there as well. If you'd like to have this done in your Ford Focus Sync4, then please give us a call, 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.